How to fix office error CAA50021. Let's get started. Click on the search box and then type in run, search for it, type in CMD and click on OK. Now go ahead and type in this command dsregcmd /leave and then click on enter. Now delete MS Organization Access and MS Organization P2P Access from certificate. And then type in the next command dsregcmd /status and click on enter. Now set the Azure AD join to no. The process will unregister your device with Azure. Now you can apply these processes to re-register it with these steps. Now click on the search box and then type in tax scheduler and search for it. Click on tax scheduler library. Go to the option Microsoft. Now click on Windows. Scroll all the way down, find the option Workplace, open it. Now launch the automatic device join tax. Once you do this, you can close this and open your settings. Head towards this option of accounts. Now click on the option Access Work or School. Now you can go ahead and click on Connect and follow all the on-screen prompts to connect your device with Azure. Applying these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix office error CAA50021. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.